I have a special treat for you. On my YouTube channel, we did a poll question in terms of if you inherited $1,000, what are you buying? Well, I did a poll question and we have almost 10,000 people that voted, or 10,000 votes. In the first one here, we had VeChain win this group pooling. So VeChain was the winner out of these 5 here in terms of who would invest $1,000. Which asset would that be? And then the next one, we have XRP won this grouping here. 2.9 people voted. So thank you for voting for all this. And then another one here, Shiba wins this one just barely over Cardano or Cardana. I was thinking about Corona when I did this poll. But let me show you something else that you will not believe. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. 𝐿 is in service. I got something really special to show you right now. Now, all of these 15 here, I was thinking, which one is the better investment in terms of profit if and when, in my opinion, it hits back to all-time high in all 15 of these assets? So I did this on a spreadsheet, and it basically breaks down the 15 that's on here from here. And so I was like, you know what? If I have $1,000 invested to all 15 of these right here, and I put the current price of each one on today of this video, August 1st or August 31st, 2021, what amount of tokens and what would that value be if it hits an all-time high? Now, I did kishu Shiba all the way down to Cardano, and it looks like, in my opinion, some of these are actually some pretty sound investments in terms of the amount of tokens or the value of the tokens. Just like here, Dogecoin, 27 cents, current price, you get 3,626. That's not bad. Or XRP, that's not bad either. $1.17 gets 854. Obviously, if you got it a year ago, you'll get more of it. But some of these are not that bad. And you look at the current price, the amount of tokens, kishu, you get over $1 trillion, which I think that's crazy with $1,000. But it really depends on what you value into this type of pool. And I did a few other ones here. I did Bone, Leash, Harmony, and Everipedia as well. You get 61,000 Everipedia tokens just for $1,000. But let me show you behind the curtain. If you invested the $1,000 with the current prices of all these, what's going to happen? And you will not believe this. Let me go here and do this. Drum roll. I'm telling you, you ain't gonna believe who is the winner. Look at this. Boom. Look at this that you see right now. If it hits all-time high in prices, kishu is the winner with $25,000 in total value if it hits all-time high. And look at this. The current price of this, I think I see 9 zeros, and the all-time high looks like 7 zeros. And that's all-time high. It actually can go higher than that, you know, in the future. So kishu is the winner in terms of profit if you invested $1,000 based on all-time high. Shiba comes in second, followed by SafeMoon, Saitama Inu. Now you notice something here. People say these are the crap coins, and these are the coins where it may not have a utility and you don't know much about them. But look at these top 4 here. They're, quote, meme coins of the people, well, some people think. But look at the bottom. You notice Cardano, Ethereum, Bitcoin. It's at the bottom. So if I have $1,000 and I invest into Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, my money's not necessarily going as high. I'm going to have to wait a while for me to at least get a double in my investment. Now, look at these. These are here. You don't get a lot of value if you invest in today's prices, but based all-time high. But these 5 here, I mean, you do, or you actually can go at least here because you double your investment. I would say these here, because kishu down the seller network, I get at least an opportunity to get to double my investment, my $1,000. And that's just all-time high. So I'm very interested to see what happens when it gets past all-time high in price, because I was interested in doing this based off this poll question, and Kishu was 21%, and I noticed, you know, Shiba was pretty high here, but Kishu is the winner. I'm not telling you to go out there and get Kishu today. I'm not saying that, you know, you need to load up on it right now. I'm just saying that's very interesting in terms of the price, $1,000 to $25,000. Now I added a couple others here. I added like Bone, Leash, Harmony, Everypedia, and Bone, to me, it actually went to $70, but on CoinGecko, it only recorded it $15. So even if we just say, all right, let's just say $15. I saw it hit $70 on that first day of the actually enrollment of it. But even if it hits $15 with $1,000, it gets a 13 grand, which would be second place, will be second to Kishu. This is unbelievable. I can't believe I'm seeing this. And Shiba's still a pretty good value. But also look at Leash. Leash is actually would be third. Think about this. You would have Kishu, Bone, Shiba, and Leash. So basically, let me tell you something. With a $1,000, Shiba, Bone, and Leash is actually not a bad investment in terms of it hitting all-time high in price. Which brings me back to the Shibaswap. And you know, you're getting Bone, you're getting Wrapped Ethereum, and you're getting Ryoshi Vision. Now, to me, I think Ryoshi Vision, which is on number 6 right now, you at least double your money. Still not that bad. Stellar Network, VeChain, even Everrise to a point, you almost double your money. So that's what I would look at, guys. Look at the projects where you want to follow and do your research, but you also want to look at, okay, what was all-time high in price? What's the current price? Where's the project is? Where is the necessary the technology, the development, even the utility of this? And then more important, if this is important to you, which I believe it is, where is the all-time high in price versus what the price is right now? And Kishu is the winner in terms of that category, and followed by Bone, Shiba, and Leash. That's all I gotta say. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. I'm telling you, you couldn't believe this. And you see Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano is at the bottom. I'm not saying these ain't good investments, and they are good, sound investments, especially Cardano and Ethereum. But $1,000 doesn't get me too far if it gets all-time high in price, but it gets me pretty good on some of these other ones. So, all right, I'll see you in another video. I'll do another video that breaks down a few other ones, or maybe we go deeper on the next video. I'll see you later. I can't wait to see you again.